Kumusta kapatid? Lahat ba nakapag-breakfast na? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far and I'm really excited to share itong bagong gadget na sobrang bago, no? Kakalabas pa lang sa factory mga 5 seconds ago. Chos. Pero merong bagong tablet itong ating mga kaibigan sa Huawei at ito siya, papakita ko sa inyo. This is called the Huawei MatePad SE. So ito yung pinakabagong tablet na galing sa Huawei and it has a 10.4-inch display. So tignan natin, buksan natin yung box and let's check out kung ano yung i-offer ng ating bagong gadget. Okay, so bago natin buksan, pasinin lang natin yung nakasulat dun sa label, dun sa box. This is the 4GB plus 128GB variant. It has LTE support aside from Wi-Fi. So ang maganda dito is that you can use the tablet anywhere you go as long as you have mobile data. So papasukan mo lang siya ng SIM. And by the way, the color of this unit is graphite black. The Huawei MatePad SE only comes in one colorway. That's it. So buksan na natin at tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob. Tcharan! So nasa loob ng box ay isa pang box. At hindi lang yon, meron pang isa pang box. Para saan? Well, kita nyo naman dito, nakalagay dito. It's the folio cover. So this is a free cover that comes with the LTE variant. Just for your information, there are 3 variants that are coming out. There is a 3 plus 32GB LTE variant. And itong hawak natin ngayon, which is the 4 plus 128GB LTE variant, as well as a Wi-Fi only variant, which comes with 3GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. So unahin natin yung folio kasi syempre save the best for last tayo, di ba? Buksan na natin. Ang ating kumikinang-kinang at napakasariwang, oh my God, na folio cover. Ito yung pinakamahal dyan. Ito yung binabayaran natin dyan, Chos. Pero yun nga, oh, di ba? Hanep, ang ganda ng quality, maganda yung texture sa kanyang likod, no? And, well, it's something that you really would love to have when you're using a tablet. Not only does it protect your device, it also serves as a kickstand. Ayan, no? So, gaganyan mo lang siya and papakita natin sa inyo later pag unboxin natin yung ating mismong device. So, dito na tayo sa main at meron pa pala siyang nakasulat dun sa likod na na-miss natin kanina. So, ito yung mga, syempre late ng sulat, di ba? Hindi ako nakasalamin. Pero ito yung mga ano niya, no? Main features. So, ito yung 2K Huawei Full View Display. Then, you have immersive stereo sound. You have the Huawei Super Device feature. Ito yung feature sa Huawei devices that allow you to seamlessly integrate with one another. And you also get a lightweight and durable design. So, buksan na natin siya. Drop test. Oops. Joke lang. Okay. Siyempre, na-open na natin siya kanina. Pero, ito guys ha. Ang ganda nung kanyang style at yung kanyang finish. Para sa akin, simple lang siya. And like I said, yung isa sa mga maganda dito sa Huawei MatePad SE is this very nice display. Papakita ko na sa inyo ngayon. In 3, 2, 1, ayan. O diba? It has very thin bezels. And the resolution is hindi naman masama. It's a full HD screen. Oops, namatay kaagad. Ayan. Ito yung screen niya. Very smooth. And very, very vibrant. Para sa akin, no? Looking at it, hindi siya yung medyo cheap na LCD na nagbi-bleed yung whites. That's one of the first things that I noticed about it. And second thing, kung mapapansin nyo, nakita nyo ba yun? O diba, you have Disney Plus and you have Netflix. You have Prime Video. You also have Google Apps. Ito, Google Sheets yan. Oh. Google Slides, Google Drive. Oh, anyari, di ba? Ano sikreto? Mamaya, sabihin ko sa inyo. Pero, tabi muna natin siya kasi meron pang other stuff dito sa box. Next, other stuff, diba? O, ayan. Ito, ang kanyang, ano to? Siyempre, hindi ko maintindihan kasi naka-ano ito. Naka-foreign language siya, guys. Ayan, hindi ko mabasa. Pero ito yung English. How to find apps. So, Huawei has its own app store called App Gallery, and that is what you use to find your applications, and later on, de-demonstrate natin kung paano mo gagawin yan. Next, buksan natin. Meron na namang ikatlong box sa loob ng box. So, buksan natin to ha. Diyan! Comes with manuals na syempre di natin binabasa. Cable, mamahaling cable. Ito ang ating adapter. Very slim. At yun na yun. What? Were you expecting something else? Chos. Okay, so balikan natin yung tablet. Siyempre, nakabaliktad, di ba? Okay, ayan. So, like I said earlier, merong secret yung ating Huawei MatePad because the app gallery has been updated so that hindi mo na kailangan mag-install ng Gbox para gumamit or mag-install ng Google Apps. Okay, so all you have to do is search. And lalabas dito yung mga apps na kahit wala siya sa app gallery, automatically, it will install along with Gbox. Ayan no. Dati kasi, if you wanna be able to side load, yun yung keyword na ginagamit natin when you're loading apps. It's called side load. This software that is normally not supported by Huawei App Gallery, nakalagay dito, run Disney Plus in Gbox. A light app that can simulate a secure environment for Android phones and provides required services for Disney Plus. So, syempre, itatry natin kung legit nga na gumagana yung Disney Plus. Oh, ha? Diba? Ang bilis lang. And this is because the MatePad SE runs on the Snapdragon 680 chipset. It is a very powerful mid-range chipset made with the 6nm fabrication process. So what does that mean for you na hindi masyadong technical? This means that the power draw of this chipset is a lot lower compared to other chipsets made with higher fabrication process. So, kumbaga, ang magiging result nito is that you get much better battery life out of your tablet. So now that we have installed Disney Plus here, I'm gonna try to log in. Syempre, ikakat muna natin. And I'll get back once nakalogin na tayo. Boom! So ayun na nga, nakalogin na tayo sa ating Disney Plus. At kung mapapansin nyo, kinabit na rin natin yung kanyang cover or yung kanyang... Ngayon, it's acting as a kickstand. And as you can see, legit na legit. Disney Plus, nakalogin. At gumagana siya, guys. So now we're gonna play one show so that we can demonstrate yung kanyang loudspeakers. The Huawei MatePad SE comes with dual loudspeakers or stereo speakers. Pili tayo ng ano bang maganda-gandang i-play dito. Eto, Avatar.
Its sequel is ready to take you even further. What will audiences see in this film that they've never seen in a movie before? You show me one image from this film that you've seen before.
So yon, anong masasabi nyo sa loudspeakers ng Huawei MatePad SE? Para sa akin, since I am holding it close to me, malinaw naman yung kanyang loudspeakers. Medyo nakukulangan lang ako sa loudness, no? Sana mas malakas pa. But then again, it only comes with dual stereo speakers or two loudspeakers. Yung ibang mga tablet kasi merong 4 na loudspeakers, kaya medyo malakas na siya. Pero kung gagamitin nyo rin naman siya at an arm's length, okay na, di ba? Hindi mo naman siguro ilalagay yung tablet like mga 8 feet away. Ginawa mo na siyang TV. Di sana bumili ka na lang ng 40-inch. Chos. Okay, so isa pa sa mga features na sobrang natutuwa ako dito sa Huawei MatePad SE. Alam nyo yan guys, kung napanood nyo yung unboxing na ginawa natin with my daughter, si Sunny, tuwang-tuwa siya sa Huawei MatePad T10 Kids. And that's because it comes with this application called Kids Corner. Yan. Diba? Very nice. And it is very useful lalo na kung meron kayong kids sa bahay dahil kumpleto ito. It comes with games, it comes with interactive experiences, it comes with content that will keep your kids entertained for hours. Ito, kumbaga, ito yung ating bagong virtual yaya. Ayan, so ito yung interface ng ating Kids Corner, and if you'll notice, marami siyang mga interactive activities like a recorder, camera, multimedia. Meron ding painting app para sa mga mahilig mag-doodle dyan, lalo na mga kids. They will really enjoy this app. And me, with my experience with Baby Sunny on the MatePad T10 Kids, talagang hindi niya mabitawan yung tablet na yon, lalo na nag-e-enjoy siya while playing with the device. And one of the other cool features of the Huawei MatePad is that it allows you to control things such as the screen time or the total usage time of that device. So for example, pwede mong i-limit kung gaano lang katagal magagamit ng isang bata yung kanyang tablet. Isa sa mga challenges na na-experience ko bilang magulang is how to control or limit yung screen time ng ating anak. And with that feature, automatic magla-lock yung ating tablet at hindi na nila magagamit. So sorry na lang, pag naubos na yung quota mo for the day, yun na yun, di ba? Paalam ka muna ulit kung gusto mo mag-extend. So, magkano nga ba ang Huawei MatePad SE? Well, as of filming this video, hindi pa natin alam kung magkano yung magiging SRP niya. Pero we'll just edit the price in. All we know is that it's going to be a budget device. So, sana naman, di ba, medyo affordable yung magiging SRP nito pag launch. But we'll see. So far, we like the value proposition of this tablet. We hope that it'll be priced competitively para accessible para sa atin, lalo na sa mga magulang at para dun sa mga medyo young at heart na rin, kagaya natin, who are looking for a device for watching streaming media, content consumption, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and as we showed earlier, Disney Plus. Solid na rin ang Huawei MatePad SE. May mga tanong ba kayo? Iwan nyo lang sa comments section. Kita-kita tayo doon, magbardagulan tayo. And once again, this has been Kuya Den, signing off. Paalam.